In this video, I'm going to explain how to identify walls that need to be broken in an existing building. I am going to be making use of this very building plan for my explanation. So before you be able to know which of the walls to break off from the plan, you have to create an architectural design. First of all, you have to sketch out the existing building that is already existing. Then you take measurements of the dimensions. The next step is to draw out the existing building plan on your AutoCAD. You draw it exactly the way it is with the dimensions. So this very building that you see by the left hand side, is it left or right? Either left or right side that does not have dimensions on it. That's the existing building. That's how the dimensions of the existing building was. So these very ones that has dimensions, I created the design from the existing building. So that will be in another video. If you're interested, comment down below. Make another video on how to be able to create a new building from an already existing. Just avoiding dimension the drawing and edited its various functionalities. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the dimension lines and the hash line from the lobby and the veranda so that it will be a bit neat after my placement. I'm doing now, I'm just trying to remove the dimensions, the dimension line and the names of the various functionalities with the hash. I'm just working on it now. Also with the door and window schedule label as present so that it will be neat. Assuming I have not done all these dimensions or and all those things, I will not have even bothered to. There will be no dimension line to remove or the name of the function of the space. So that's what I'm just doing it. Trying to delete it off so that it will be a bit neat. What I did was to copy it before doing that so that I'll still have my dimension lines and my label of the space and all those things. So the drawing will still be there. So I already had decided. The thing I did was to just copy and have a copy of it and work on the copy that I have. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that the algorithm will push this video to more persons that are interested in the video. I have already removed the dimensions lines, the window and door schedule labeling, and the hash line out of the drawing. You can see that it's now a bit neater than it was before. So we'll have to go ahead and move to the next step of the drawing. I did not remove all the labels out of it. The thing I have to do is for me to copy the the new building and paste it on top of the existing building. As the one that I've edited to my taste, I'll copy it and paste it on top of the existing building. So that will tell me where the existing building is and the existing walls are and where the proposed walls are. I'm going to increase the line weight of the proposed building walls. So I'll increase the line weight to be thicker than that of the existing walls so that it will be easy for me to identify it. Then the next step is for me to to change the color of the walls. It was white before, I just changed it to red so that it will be easy to identify which wall is which wall. So I'll copy this proposed wall that is highlighted with red lines. So I'll copy it and paste it on top of the existing building. So what you do is for you to based on your design, that will tell you where you copied from. That's you copy from the wall that is already existing, that is present on the proposed building, so that you not have something that is different, because it's just like picking the wall, one of the wall that is already existing, that you know that is present on the proposed on the let's just call it proposed plan. You copy it and paste it on top of it so that you will now be able to identify, so that when you after copying and pasting it on top of it, you will know you'll be able to identify that okay, where these red lines are, they are my proposed walls. Then where the white line is, those are the existing walls. Sometimes the red line might cover up the white line. That's to tell you that that red line that is covering the white wall shows that that wall is already existing and it corresponds with the proposed wall. You understand what I'm saying? You can now see red and white lines on this very building. I've already copied the proposed wall on top of the existing wall. So where you are seeing white wall shows that those are the existing walls. Then where you are seeing red lines, red walls, shows that those walls are the new walls that need to be created. There are cases that this red and white wall will be on the same place, but you might not see it. So it's better for you to still have a copy of the old and the new walls before you start kind of pasting one on top of the other. You have to have the two copies so that you can be able to check and see which of the wall is falling on which of the wall. You have to check your already the existing and proposed that you did not copy and paste on. You understand? You copy that one and keep it separately. It will guide you on the wall that is lapping together. That's to show you that that existing wall is still on the proposed wall, that they are on the same line. So you don't need to break such walls out of it. The white walls that you are not seeing inside the red walls, that you, what I'm saying is, since you've already copied and paste one on top of each other, then where you are seeing the white walls, that white walls, we know that the white walls indicate existing walls. So where you see existing walls, that after placing your proposed that you have already designed with the existing building, you now see some white walls inside. It shows that you have to break such walls, that you break the white wall that is reflecting inside your that is reflect that did not that is not on top of the red line. That's it shows that that existing wall is going to cause an obstacle on your proposed walls. You have to remove the white walls. That it shows that those walls need to be broken off. You have to break them out of it. So this process shows you how to be able to know which of the walls that you need to break off from an existing building. That's you want to change it. This thing is mainly used when you want to change the pattern of an existing building to something else. So you have to definitely always go to the site, then draw out the existing building, take dimensions, you measure the each of the space with your measuring tape. That's what you draw on plan. Then after drawing the existing building, from the existing building you create your proposed building. You copy the all you have to do is copy the existing building. Then from that copy the existing building is what you use to edit your proposed building. It all depends on what you are doing. It's always advisable not to kind of break too many walls. It all depends on your design, but most times it's advisable not to break too many walls so as to reduce the threat to the building, and also to make things better for make to reduce costs for the person that is going to build it. So it's always better to do it that way. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment and like this video, and also watch other of our videos.